I represent a group that has historically been underrepresented in research.
Most studies and most clinical trials have always been with the average white male.
Upper middle class, middle age.
Don't look at me as the average, as the blanket, as a statistic. I need you to deal with me as me.
Diversity strengthens the science. It could bridge some civil rights issues and inequities in healthcare across all races and ethnicities.
Whether the focus is asthma, whether the focus is infant mortality, whether the focus is diabetes, cancer or heart disease, communities of color are disproportionately impacted by them.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, illnesses that Black women get and die from need to be researched.
For once, a group of researchers have actually specifically sought out the underrepresented groups in society to make sure that we're represented in research.
If we delve deeper into where we live, what we consume, what we do, that will have an impact on trying to prevent diseases in the future.
We'll have the information from 1 million people. People of color, LGBT people, people from diverse communities.
This study is actually purposefully involving on a large scale diversity.
Precision medicine will allow us to study our individual genes and allow you to get the right medicine at the right time for the right person.
You're going to have some individuals that are going to say, yes, good, we're getting in on the ground level of a study. And then you're going to have those that have some trepidations about it.
Tuskegee happened, we're not trying to hide that or sweep it under the rug, but communities of color will be at a disadvantage if we do not find ways to get by that.
This isn't going to be some sort of Tuskegee experiment. This is going to be the community working together with healthcare institutions.
To bring them aboard and let them know that this is for the greater good.
We get back that trust by involving the community.
It is important for minorities to be a part of this, or we will again be left with medications that are created for really other populations.
It's definitely important to have participant engagement and individuals being partners from the ground up.
When the samples comes to us, they are really going to come to us with a biobank ID. We will not know exactly who those people are, and it's going to be really highly secured by the data center for the program.
I think a part of that response as an African American is to stand up and say that I'm willing to participate.
And I think people will be very excited about being a part of what is going to be the next revolution in healthcare in America. This will get us eons ahead of where we are as far as specific treatments for specific illnesses in specific people.
With all of the information that we're going to garner from this study, it is going to help with prevention. Prevention is really what the key right now to longevity.
My hope would be that the All of Us research program would just get people to really be aware and understand that by them being proactive and joining, that it helps other people.
It's very, very important for them to be a part of the study so that we can affect what's causing their problems, not only now, hopefully, but down the road with their children and their children's children.
I'm hopeful that we will be overwhelmed with folks.